Welcome to Alterations Express, a salon-style alteration and tailoring house with walk-in service, spacious private dressing rooms, fitting specialists, and an extraordinary team of tailors and seamstresses at every single storefront location. When you visit Alterations Express, you can expect fast, professional, and affordable service from our team of experts. From our pants hemmed while you wait service to professional suit tailoring and even wedding dress alterations. On average, our turnaround time on any alteration is just 4 days. But we also provide express alteration services for our customers so that you can get your alterations done when you need them. We also guarantee our work, so if for some reason we miss the mark on your alterations, make sure to bring your garment back to us within 10 days of pickup, and we'll make the adjustments free of charge. We're all about making our customers happy. Our adjustment guarantee is a little insurance policy for your investment in our work. Come into any of our 12 locations for a unique customer experience and a service style that has completely revolutionized the alterations and tailoring industry. Visit Alterations Express today and experience the difference of America's tailor shop.